Hi guys, welcome to this Python for Beginners course that I'm about to create for all beginners. So if you're interested in learning Python, this will be the best course for you. Today, the first part of the course, we will see the history of Python. We will see a brief overview of Python, and then we will see what we use Python for. So in the next coming videos, we will start touching things like arrays, loop, how to write your first Python program, and also how to install Python. But today, let's just see the beginning of this course, which is the and which will be talking about what is Python and why you use Python. In order for you to know if this will be the perfect course for you, I believe you need to understand what what is Python and where and what you can use it for. Okay, so let's begin. Python is a popular programming language for sure. Everybody knows that. So nowadays, like everything that you will be doing when it comes to programming, most likely you might need to encounter Python because you can use Python for AI, for data science, for a lot of things. Okay. Okay, Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Python is easy to learn, very easy, like English guy. If you understand English, you understand you can code like 5% in Python already because Python is already like English. You will enjoy it, just to be honest with you. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by someone called Guido van Rossum. I don't know this name. This name is a little bit difficult to pronounce. Okay, just don't get me wrong. And it was released in 1991. The most recent major version of Python is Python 3. This is the one we will be using for this course, okay? Which will be which we shall be using for this tutorial. Of course, yes. Python is used for things like web development. You can use Python with Django, with Flask to create web applications, and also for to do so many other things. And you can use Python in software development, right? Okay, that is the first part. The second part is what can Python do? So Python can be used on a server to create web applications. Like Python can be used alongside software to create workflows. Python can connect to database systems. We will try to build some web applications in the middle of the course so you can understand. And if you keep following the course, we will learn Django, Flask, or something like that. So you will enjoy it, to be honest with you. Python can connect to database systems, as we have already said. It can also read and modify files. You can use Python with Excel, I'm sorry, to modify sheets, a lot of things. Python can be used to handle big data and perform complex mathematics. Python can also be used for rapid prototyping or for uh, production, okay, ready software development. So like I have been building quite a few web applications with Python, just to be honest with you, to just to let you know it is really interesting. And then as soon as you know Python, you already know a lot of things, okay? Okay. And now, why Python? Why I choose to teach this course, and why I decided to teach Python exactly because I know other programming languages, right? Python works on different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, etc. Python has a simple syntax similar to the English language. Like it seems like you will be writing English, just to let you know. Python has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines of code. Like the amount of code you will need in a language like C or C++ or Java, in just a few lines of code, you will be able to just write that same program in Python. It is pretty easy and it is really beginner friendly. So after this video, the next video we will show you how to install Python. This was a brief overview of what is Python, right? So now the next step uh, is to show you how to install Python on your computer, and then after that, we will write our first Python program. Okay, just do not forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel so you do not miss any of the upcoming videos. Okay.